Good morning, class. How are you? Hope that you are safe at home and enjoying your video modules. So today we are going to start with a new lesson, that is lesson 14, Festivals of India. The first thing when we hear about festival, what it comes to our mind? First thing comes celebration. Okay. What else? Happiness. Excitement. Yes or no? It comes to our mind. Okay. Togetherness. So whenever we are talking about any festival, the first thing that comes to our mind is celebration. We are going to enjoy it. We are very much excited about enjoying it. How we are going to celebrate it. We plan for it. Okay. That is the things which come to our mind when we talk about festivals. So today we are going to learn that festivals can be of three kinds. Okay. First is religious. Okay. Second is harvest. Let me write festival also. First is religious festival. Second is harvest festival. And third is, we can say, national festival. Okay. So first one is religious, second is harvest, and third is national. Okay. What are religious festival? Which are connected to any religion. You can say Diwali, you can say Eid, you can say Christmas. All these festivals are related to some or the other religion. Harvest, you can say Bihu is a dance. Pongal. What is the meaning of harvest? When farmers cut their crops, okay, and then they celebrate this festival. Okay. Now when we talk about national festival, national festival means for our country, all the festivals like the Republic Day, Independence Day. Okay. So these are national festivals. Now in this lesson we are going to read about all these types of festivals in detail. Okay. Kindly open page number 94 in your book. So what we are going to learn about in this lesson, the types of festivals in India, as I said you, religious, harvest and national. And how do we celebrate different festivals? Means every festival in Diwali, what we do? We light up diyas. In Holi, we play with colors. So there are different customs we follow in different festivals and in different religions also. In Eid, they make sevai. Okay. So every religion has a custom, has a rule or different they are celebrated in different ways. And community celebration. Community means when we come in group, okay, or when the nation comes together, okay, that is a community celebration. And what are the key terms we are going to learn in this? Festivals, harvest festival, celebrate, religious festival, national festival, which you can see on the board also. Festivals, religious festival, harvest festival, national festival and celebration. As I said you, whenever we hear the word festival, the first thing which comes to our mind is celebration. How we are going to celebrate it. Okay. So in reflect, you will see here this. Name the festival with which we connect the following things. So he is having colors. Bucket is there, water is there. So what is that? That is Holi. When the color is there, we connect straight away to one festival, and that is Holi. Okay. Second one, they are making Manna. Okay, Rangoli in front of the house. So when do we make that? We make it on Diwali. Okay. So these are the answers for the reflect. Now let us read the lesson. We celebrate many festivals in India. Festivals bring joy and happiness when celebrated together. Obviously, all alone you can't celebrate any festival. We should be together. Okay, the family should be together, the relatives, everybody should come and we should celebrate together. Then only we feel the happiness of that festival. The people living in a building or in the same or nearby area celebrate together by exchanging gifts, singing and eating together. Thus we celebrate it as community, means as group of people. Suppose that you live in a complex, okay? So there are many blocks in that, okay? All the people come together and celebrate that festival. Suppose that during the Navaratri, you have the Dandiya festival, Dandiya function, okay? So everybody comes out of their houses and play Dandiya and we enjoy a lot in that, okay? Loud music and everybody is enjoying a lot. And in Diwali what we do? We exchange gifts. We give sweets to each other, okay? In Christmas also we exchange gifts. So by exchanging gifts we can share the happiness. Not only by exchanging gifts, by eating together and enjoying also we can celebrate the festival. There are three kinds of festivals we celebrate. They are national festival, religious festivals and harvest festival. As I said you before, national festival, religious festival, and the third one is harvest festival. Sorry. So we are going to learn about all these three kinds of festivals in this lesson. So first we are going to start with the national festival, okay? A national festival is celebrated by the people of a country. Obviously, suppose that I gave you an example of Republic Day, okay? So everybody gathers together to do that. In our school also we celebrate Republic Day, okay? A parade is there, flag hoisting is done, okay? So we all come together to celebrate the unity of our nation. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. So we are talking about the first national festival, Republic Day. And when it is celebrated? 26th January every year. And we all go to school on that day and we celebrate this national festival. This was the day when we got the Constitution of India, which is a book of rules for our country. So every country has their rules and regulation. Okay, India also have a constitution. That rule was made on that which day? 26th January. A Constitution of India means a book is there where the rules are written, which are to be followed by the government also and which are to be followed by the people also. Okay, so when were these rules issued? 26th January. Okay, and that is celebrated as the Republic Day. On this day, there is a colorful parade in Rajpath, New Delhi. The Army, Navy, Air Force, school children and the different states take part in this parade. Parade means a rally type of thing is there where Rajpath in New Delhi. Okay, where the Navy forces, the Air Force, the soldiers, the school children all participate in that parade. Okay, they form they wear different costumes and they perform dances. The President of India takes the salute. Many important guests watch this great event. This event comes on TV also. We can straight away watch the live telecast of that. Okay, and President of India gives a salute to the parade which goes on. Okay, India became an independent country on 15th August 1947. Second, we are talking about Independence Day. Again, on this day also we go to school. I know everybody is missing the schools. Even I am missing it. I'm not enjoying this, but I am missing you people. Okay, I want to meet you people, but due to COVID we can't meet, so we have to wait. So second national festival is Independence Day, that is celebrated on 15th August. Okay. India became independent country on 15th August 1947. So in 1947 we got our independence. So we celebrate this day as Independence Day. On this day every year the Prime Minister of India unfurls the national flag and gives a speech to the country from the Red Fort, Delhi. Unfurls means it is tied, okay? And then the Prime Minister of India, he opens it, okay? And it flies in the wind. It is a very good feeling, you know. You feel like, oh, proud of it, that yes, we are Indians. Okay, the next is Gandhi Jayanti. This was the first one, Republic Day. Second is Independence Day. And third is Gandhi Jayanti. And when it is celebrated? 2nd October. Okay, it is celebrated on 2nd October. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October, which is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi ji. We say him Bapu also. Okay, it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He was a famous Indian leader who worked very hard for the independence of our country. So he and his follower, everybody fought with the Britishers to get independence, to get the independent India, which we are living in now. On this day, special prayer meetings are held all over the country. All national festivals are holidays. Obviously, these are holidays, but in these Republic Day and Independence Day, we go to school for 1 hour. We do the flag hoisting and then we come back home. Okay, and during Gandhi Jayanti, before one day, we have a special assembly. I think so, you all know that. We have a special assembly, and in that we try to give a drama or song, something, or a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi ji or Bapu. Okay, so today we are going to stop here only. In the next session, we will continue with our lesson. Hope you have understood the lesson. Please read the part which we have covered today in today's session. Thank you.